Just a second while this loads up. All right, so are you Aiden Lee Dickinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dickinson, this is your initial appearance. In cause number 25, DCCR 1480, you are charged with engaging in organized criminal activity, a state jail felony from September 28th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? So what I'm going to do, since you've made bond, is expect you to try to hire a lawyer. So I'm going to reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to see if you can get someone hired. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering that you visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, if you step right here in front of the clerk, she'll give you your reset notice. This is moving slow.
That's what I was just complaining about.
It had an update over the weekend. Which seems to slow everything down.
I know. You would think it would make it faster.
Right.
Michael Garrett.
It's not working.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you Michael Garrett?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Garrett, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1232. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault, family violence by impeding breath or circulation from June 17th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
So the same thing, Mr. Garrett, I'm going to expect that you try to hire a lawyer, reset your case for about 30 days, and give you some time to do that. If you get someone hired before the next court date, then just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
Also, as a condition of your bond, did they make it a condition that you have no contact with Michael Garrett Jr.?
Yes.
Okay, I want to make sure you understand that if you violate that.
This is one of those moments people underestimate. Bond conditions are not suggestions. That no contact order, 1 text message, 1 phone call, 1 accidental run-in, and bond can be revoked instantly. And in family violence cases, judges take this especially seriously. This warning isn't just procedural, it's a final line in the sand. Do you think courts explain these consequences clearly enough, or do people only realize how serious it is after it's too late?
Condition of your bond would be raised and you would be back in jail as well. Do you understand that? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset.
That next one, Daniel Martinez, is reset. I don't know if it's
Okay.
or not, but it is.
It is Daniel Martinez.
He hired Patrick.
Okay, don't worry about that then. Bart Thibodeau. Good morning, sir. You're Bart Thibodeau. And Mr. Thibodeau, did you get someone hired?
No, I got the check stuff that you requested.
Did you talk to some attorneys as well?
I've already talked to 10 of them.
You get paid every week?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think you're gonna qualify for a court-appointed lawyer, Mr. Thibodeau.
You want $10,000, $4,000 down, I mean, it's nothing that's gonna happen quick. I mean,
Well, have you started saving up for it?
No, I've been,
And here's a harsh reality of the justice system: making too much money can actually hurt you. Court-appointed lawyers aren't about fairness, they're about financial eligibility. If the numbers don't line up, the court's response is simple. Figure it out. Save, make payments, show effort, or the case keeps moving without you. This is where legal trouble collides with real-life bills, and the pressure gets very real. Should access to legal defense really come down to a spreadsheet?
playing catch up and paying my light bills and my house notes and everything, and broke notes, and I was behind. And trying to play catch up.
Well, you're gonna have to hire an attorney. You're $32 an hour, 40 hours a week, every week. That's not gonna qualify under the law for, here you go, for a court-appointed lawyer. And so I'm gonna reset your case one more time. I need you to talk to some others. I need you to be saving some money, give me some
Give
free.
me more than 30 days?
No, I don't do that for anybody, but if you show me who you've talked to or who you're trying to save up for, if you've made a payment, bring me a receipt. If you're making payments to someone, something to show me that who you're planning on hiring and what you're doing towards that. All right, step in front of the clerk.
This courtroom video shows several defendants appearing before a judge for their initial court hearings after making bond.
The judge's main focus in each case is legal representation and bond conditions, making it clear that court rules are not optional.
First, Aiden Dickinson appears. He is charged with engaging in organized criminal activity, a state jail felony from September 2025. Since he made bond, the judge orders him to try to hire a lawyer. His case is reset for 30 days. If he can't hire one, he must speak with at least 3 attorneys and bring their names back to court. The judge warns that failing to do this could lead to his bond being raised in jail time. Next is Garrett, charged with felony family violence assault by impeding breathing. The judge gives him the same instructions about hiring a lawyer. However, the judge strongly emphasizes his no-contact bond condition, warning that even one text, call, or accidental meeting could instantly revoke his bond and send him back to jail.